today I'm going to be making a paper sword. I am so sorry for not recording the part 1 of the Big Shot book. So let's get started. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might be getting some noises because I'm with another family. So I will take care of that. So I hope you don't mind. And let's get started. So, 1 minute, let me show you the paper. Go. So first you have to put something like this. You got this? So next you're going to do something like I'm sorry, let's just take it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm missing my dad. Say hello. Oh, I'm sorry. Next it's something like this. Then fold it to the other side and you'll get this. And look. Okay, now this might be a little tricky, but look, I'll show you. Yes, something like this. And then move the other edge to this side. So you'll be getting something like this if you bruise on the bottom of the sides. But hold this part and you get a paper plane. That was so simple. But let's do some. So let's test it out. Okay. Let's test it out. Okay, let's just repeat. Okay, just went it to the other side, but the quality of this plane is awesome. And it's so smooth. Okay. So I hope you like this origami video. So I'm not going to finish yet. I'm going to ask one of my parents to do something to me. So let's do it. I don't know where my parents are, but it's okay. Let's leave them. So you see the stairs over there? Let's see if it can hit there. It's not able to. Let's keep on trying. I'll do 5 tries. Okay, that's the ceiling, but not the stairs. Guys, let me find a target. Let's see if it works. It's just rotating. What is wrong with the plane? Look, it's just going like this. It's just going in 360 degrees. Let me try again. What the? Seriously? Come on, brother. Why does this thing go that way? I can't go. That doesn't even make sense. Last try. 3, 2, 1. Now it came perfectly, but not hitting the box. 3, 2. The last bonus try. 3, 2, 1. Why is this hard rotating? Okay, so guys, I hope you liked the video and please learn from it. Okay, and kids, this is super easy. So if you ever want to do it, just click to my channel, subscribe, and don't forget subscribe and like and subscribe. I don't know, I just said that 2 times. But hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye guys.